The CBB plugin provides a library of custom block variations. You are free to import and use them on your site. In this video, we will guide you through how to use some image variations and how we create them using CBB. Let's import an image variation and use it. Go to the Variation Library page. There are a few items in the library right now, but we will add more as time goes on. Select only variations of image blocks. Click on the preview to import it. Let's look into this variation. There is no custom icon for this variation, so it will use the default icon of the core image block. It's not set as the default variation, and we cannot transform between it and another variation. There is a block style has been created for this variation as well. This variation was created using a custom CSS style, but only Pro customers can edit it. For Pro customers, we can see and edit the custom style directly on the editor. This editor has some useful features and some familiar shortcut keys for developers. We'll learn more about it later in this video. Let's use this variation. Insert it from the block inserter. The image will be taken from the variation by default. You can easily replace it with your own image. A new block style for this image block has been created as well. You can choose this style or other styles for any images. Now we'll customize the style for this variation. We'll review the source code again. As you can see, we can customize the spacing and border color of the frame via CSS variables. We'll put our image into a custom block created by CBB to inherit CSS variables generated by the Custom Attributes feature. Now let's create our CSS variables to change the variation style. We also can create a custom block with predefined custom attributes for this variation. So we don't have to remember the attribute names. Here are the steps to create that block. Add a new custom block. Input this variation as the content of the block. Input some metadata for the block. Choose some style builder features. For this custom image block, we might need width, height, spacing, transform. And the most important feature of this block is the custom attributes feature. By enabling this feature, we can define our attributes for the block. Let's add attributes for the variation. The values of those predefined attributes will be the default values for the variations. Our custom block is ready. Let's use it. As you can see, by creating a custom block, we don't have to remember the attribute names of our variation. We can also add a help text to the block, so other users will know how to customize it. Let's import another image variation. Let's use this new variation. You can switch between block styles. You can customize this new variation the same way we did with the previous variation. Now let's create an image variation using the Pro version of CBB. We'll recreate this variation. First, go to the article on the CSS Tricks website. We can only create a variation for a block from the block toolbar. So we have to insert an image block first. Create a new block variation from the block toolbar. Input a name, then save it. Let's edit this new variation. Input some variation attributes. The custom style attribute is the most important one. Generate the CSS selector for the image element. Copy and paste the source code from the article. Let's test our new variation. Add hover style. Generate a block style. Let's add some CSS variables to customize this variation. We can make CSS variables for border width, border color, border length, padding, and transition. Create a CSS variable for border width. Let's wrap the image inside an advanced group block to test our custom CSS variables. Create a CSS variable for border color. Use the color generator feature to generate color value. Create a CSS variable for padding. Create a CSS variable for border length. Create a CSS variable for transition. As you can see, by using CBB Pro, we can easily convert and steal a component style for our WordPress site. And thanks to the editor field, we don't have to use an external code editor for building blocks or variations. This editor supports both inputting JS and CSS, and some familiar shortcut keys are also supported. If you would like to learn more about the CBB plugin, please check out other videos, and subscribe to the channel.